If you are new to PriceLabs, you probably have read some articles and watched videos about how to set up your account. However, videos and screenshots show the desktop view, which is quite different from the view when you are using your mobile device. So, welcome to our video on setting up your listing using mobile devices. In this video, we will show you how to set up your listings using your phone. Whether you are setting up your account on your desktop or using your mobile phone, the first step that you need to do is to import your listings from your Airbnb, VRBO, or if you are using one, your PMS or channel manager. Once you have created your account and you go to dynamic pricing, this is the first page that you will see. To start adding your listing, click Add Listings, and then if you are using a PMS or channel manager, you can select PMS Channel Manager. If not, you can select Airbnb, VRBO, Howfee. If you're using a PMS or channel manager, you will see a drop-down with a list of PMS we integrate with. Simply select your PMS, and you can refer to the PMS respective articles for the detailed step-by-steps. If you are not using a PMS, click Airbnb, VRBO, Howfee, and then in the drop-down, we'll select Airbnb for example. Click Connect with Airbnb. And then you will have to allow access for PriceLabs to your Airbnb. Once done, the page will reload and it will show your listings. You may have noticed that after importing your listings, there is a setup tracker that tells us what is pending and what is completed. To complete the basic setup, you need to complete the tasks on the tracker as you see on your screen. To start setting up your listing, click on the arrow across the listing that you want to set up. First, we need to set up your base price. This is the average price that you would like to charge for your listing throughout the year. If you are not sure what base price to set, you can click Help Me choose a base price. Similar to when you open this on your desktop, you will see a few options. First is the imported base price or the price that we retrieved from your Airbnb or PMS when you imported your listing. Next is the market base where you set your property category, your bedroom count, and then you will see the average for that market. And lastly, custom. This allows you to input your own base price manually. So, for this example, we'll use a market base price. Enter your base price here and then click Save and Refresh. Next, we need to set your minimum price. This ensures we won't recommend prices that are lower than your limit. It should be high enough to cover the basic costs such as utilities and insurance, but leave enough room between base price and minimum price to allow adjustments during the low demand season. We suggest that the minimum price is at least around 20% less than your base price. Simply enter it in this field and then click Save and Refresh. You can now set up your stay restriction. To set this, simply scroll down below the calendar until Customization and then click Edit. You can then turn the toggle on for minimum stay settings, and similar to the desktop view, you do have the option to view our suggestion or to set up your own rule. If you wish to view our suggestion, click Setting Suggestion Available. You will then need to choose between short-term and mid-term, then click Go. It will load the pricing recommendation. You can simply click Apply and customize to apply this. Or if you want to manually set it up, you can go back and enter your preferred minimum stay for weekdays and weekends. If you also want to have an orphan gap, last-minute booking, far-out booking minimum stay rules, simply click Add and then enter the rule you want to apply. If you're happy with the rules you applied, you can click Save Changes. By now, your setup tracker should already say that you've completed 4 out of 5 steps. Before we proceed, Kindly scroll down to your calendar so you can review the prices that we are recommending for the next months. If you are happy with these prices, you can scroll back up and turn on the Sync Prices toggle. This allows us to push the prices to your Airbnb or PMS. Congratulations! Your listings is now set up successfully. Please ignore this section if you have connected using a PMS/channel manager. However, if you are using Airbnb and VRBO or Howfy, we recommend mapping your listings. This ensures rate parity and will save you time since you will only need to set up the parent listing and it will automatically be copied to the child listings. To map your listings, head back to your pricing dashboard and click this button on top. This is the Map Listings button. First, select the parent listing. I'll choose the one that we just set up. And then under Child Listing, select the VRBO or Howfy counterpart of the listing. Then you can click Map Listings. And we're done. Thank you for following along with our video on setting up your PriceLabs listing using a mobile device. If you want to dive deeper into advanced settings, feel free to explore our additional self-paced courses. Happy hosting!